on this video. Today I'm going to be opening the Pets Alive Smitten kittens. So let's get started. So first I have to find, okay, so it says pull here. What I'm going to do, it says to. Oh no. It's like those, LOL doll things. They have these super weird things, and then you like pull it up, but I think it's fun. Okay, so I'm unwrapping it. Can't wait to see what kitten I get. Okay.
What's that kitty?
We haven't opened it yet, so we don't know.
Maybe the morning kitty. Maybe the morning kitty.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, so I just opened the plastic. You can see. Okay. Let's open this up. Oh, it says little pets alive. It says right here, it says Pets Alive, not real Pets Alive, just Pets Alive. Okay, I'm trying to open this. It's so hard. I'm just gonna bang it open.
Sorry about that, guys. 1 second. Baby.
Oh my goodness, guys, we got the cat that I wanted, this one. Okay, let's open this Pets Alive mystery cat. Sorry, my dog just got pneumonia. Look, it comes with a little milk bottle. Let's feed her. Oh, the reason I actually want to tell you guys this, we actually just found a real cat in my backyard. She's a black cat, but can't do filming outside. Sorry. Oh, and we have this litter, cat litter. It's so cool. And this is the Smitten Kitten instructions. So, the cat that we got is named Brownie. That's such a cute name. So, the first thing we're supposed to do is, okay, we're not really supposed to do anything. It's just showing what it's for. Really? Oh, and on its paw, it's supposed to have this thing that says music. Oh, I have to turn it on. Here we go. I think she can make different sounds, but I think you need to put in batteries. Yeah, we'll put in the batteries later.
Oh, we can wash those.
Okay. I love it because like it looks like the milk is gone, you see? And when you put it back up, the milk is back. I don't know why this isn't working. I think we're supposed to put in batteries, but I really don't think we are, but I think we are too at the same time. But this is so cute. And I love this. So, yeah. So, I'm thinking of like a type of cat. So,
What is in it?
no, this,
Yes.
it looks like, I think I got Allie or, I think I got Sissy, Allie, or Brownie. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got Sissy. No. I don't know what I got. I just got one. So, that's the end of the video today. Subscribe and like. And don't forget to subscribe and like on this video.